Car repair tips that can save your money and time. Changing a flat tire. Your task is to take the flat tire off your car and replace it with the air-filled spare tire. First, pull your car to a safe place where no other vehicle can impede. Get the emergency jack and keep the lug wrench or the toolkit by your side. Turn the engine off and apply your parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts and then use the jack to raise your car high enough to remove the tire. Remove the lug nuts by reverse winding and take out the flat tire. Raise the spare tire and set onto the studs. First, thread it by hand, and then by lug wrench, tighten one nut, then the farthest one. Lower the vehicle slowly. Changing a dead battery. You need wrenches, wire brushes, corrosion removal fluid and rags to change a dead battery. Wear hand gloves, safety glass and disposable clothing before taking up battery work. First, loosen the negative terminal, which is marked minus and colored, black or green. Twist it well for breaking any corrosive hold on its post. Then remove the positive terminal, marked plus and colored red. Properly clean the posts and terminals by applying your cleanser made of baking soda, and rubbing vigorously with a wire brush. Replacing the hose. After disconnecting the negative battery post, allow the engine to cool down, turn the radiator valve for draining the engine coolant to a container and close the valve. Loosen the hose clamps of the radiator and move them towards the center of the hose. You can remove the hose by using a utility knife. Use the lithium grease for installing the new hose. Finally, put the clamps on the hose for holding it tightly. Replacing a broken drive belt. In the case of squealing of your car on starting, tighten the drive belt if you find it loose or replace it if it is worn or broken. A drive belt loops around the pulleys on the engine. You can find it at the front of the engine. In some car, in place of the drive belt, the serpentine belt is used that wraps several components of your car. Changing oil. The lube you use for changing may vary for usual cars, and expensive cars. Use a good grade of oil and use the correct amount of oil that is required. For changing of oil, you require a jack and few jack stands, an oil filter wrench and a drain pan. Drain out the old oil and pour the new oil. Check for oil changes after every 10,000 miles of running. Otherwise, its adverse effect will increase the running and maintenance cost. Changing the brake pads. You need a tool such as pliers, a lug wrench, a jack, and a set of jack stands. After raising your car by a jack, put few jack stands so that you are safe, even if the jack fails. A set of new brake pads may cost you only Euros 20 to 40, whereas an axle may cost Euros 250. The sequential operations of doing this job yourself are the removal of the hardware, pulling out of the damaged brake pads, pushing it into the caliper piston, installation of the new pads and reinstallation of the hardware. Although the new pads last for 30 to 50,000 miles, check it every 10,000 miles. Radiator flushing. Make your car cool before you start flushing. Go through the diagram of your car manual to locate the drain plug of your car. After putting your used coolant receptacle in proper place, unscrew the drain plug and allow the old coolant to drain out completely. Then, replace the drain plug, take out the cap of the radiator. Add the flush cleaning solution by using the funnel and fill water into the balance portion of the radiator. Run your car engine to bring it to normal operating temperature. Turn on your heater and allow your car to run for 10 minutes. Then turn the engine off and allow it to cool down completely. After draining the content of the radiator, fill it with fresh coolant.